My name is Ami Vitale, and I'm a photographer and filmmaker. I work on stories about humanity and our connection to the natural world. I am always looking at the light and waiting for the moment, and sometimes images have taken me years to take. For example, the story of the northern white rhinos. When I began it 15 years earlier, I knew we were on a path to extinction. I knew there would be a day when we were with the last rhinos. It's basically figuring out a story and being there, showing up for those moments, making sure that you do everything you can to be there. And then once you are, they're very sensitive stories. So in a lot of ways, I'm just trying to document these moments with complete respect and sensitivity. I literally only took 2 images of the final moments between the people that cared for and loved this last male northern white rhino. I didn't want to be noisy. I didn't want to be in the middle of this situation. And so it was a quick, fleeting moment, as most important moments are. They just happen, and you just need to understand where you are and what the significance is. And I think that that is a part of the real secret. When I'm working on stories, my goal is to be subtle, and the post-processing should reflect the exact same thing. The art is in the subtlety. Luminar Neo helps me to bring these stories and images to life in the way that I experience them. It really doesn't matter what the issue is. It can be anything from images of nature to issues of social justice or environment. But the camera is this ultimate tool for creating connection and awareness and understanding. It does transcend language, and to me, that is the beauty of it. Who you are doesn't matter. What language you speak, you can immediately look at an image, and if it has this universal story, everyone's going to understand it.